welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup video because I haven't done one in a while. So yeah, okay. This video is just gonna be me explaining my makeup instead of doing a voiceover. So first I am moisturizing with Now Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is what I use all the time. It is amazing. Like, it leaves my skin amazing. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing bunny ears, I decided, because I have a lot of videos with my cat ears, that bunny ears will do the trick today. And it's close to Easter, so it's like a week until Easter. Are you guys, comment down below if you guys are excited for Easter, because I'm not really sure. If you watch my night routine, you'll know that I use this during nighttime too, but I also use it in the morning. It refreshes my skin. Okay. So, I'm going in with this foundation. It's Korean. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll link the site that I got it from. It's actually from Amazon. It was like $13 or so. So I use about 1.5 pumps. I don't like smothering it all over my skin. So I did it like this. My cat's making weird noises. Miller. And I'm gonna try and not make this washed out. It really sets well into my skin. And it's a great foundation color. Miller, what do you have? He had this in his mouth. So I used the beauty blender and I blended in, and lo and behold, I just got pimples there overnight. That's always fun. Have you ever had those days where you don't blend your makeup in very well? Yeah, I recently, this past month, I had to get new lighting in my room because half my face wasn't even blended. So that's always good. So I literally took off all my makeup at school, which is one of my big insecurities, going to school without makeup. It's all blended. It's a very light coverage foundation, which I actually really enjoy because it gives my skin time to breathe. So for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in 15, which is fair, which is darker than the foundation that I'm wearing, but I use it for dark circles because a good darker concealer is good for your dark circles and for your imperfections. It just blends well because you don't, with concealer, it's for brightening but also concealing your imperfections. So lighter colors are for brightening. Okay, now that that's all done, I'm going in with setting powder, and I use 2 of them together. This one is a more high coverage powder. This one gives a lot of flashback. I got stuff all over my nails. And this one is more of a not. It doesn't flashback. So I mix both of them because that's what I do. And I always use the cap. So I got it all over myself, and all over my pajama pants. I take this brush and I just brush it all over my face. I quite like a more matte finish rather than dewy finish. So, because I have like a combination skin. Some areas are oily, some areas are not. So, I just say let's pack on the powder and hope for the best. And then I take my beauty blender and bake under my eyes. That way they're sort of brightened, because we did conceal them with darker concealer to get rid of my dark circles. And I go in around the mouth area because I'm getting ready for work, and I talk a lot during work because I have customer service. So, and I also put it around my nose area too. So while I look like I just did drugs, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows, which I use this. I don't even know what's on this. It's been sitting in here. I don't even know. I think it's eyelash glue. Actually, that's probably what it is. But I use a angled brush, which I can't find at the moment in my tons of brushes. There it is. I use this angled brush, and I use the darkest right here, and sometimes I mix it because this turns into gray during the day. And I'm just gonna skip eyebrows because you guys already seen me do eyebrows so many times. If you want me to make a separate video of my eyebrows and how I shape my eyebrows, yeah, let me know down in the comments. Now that my eyebrows are on, yeah. If you want a video on that, I'll be more than happy to give you a video on that. Okay, now that my eyebrows are on, I usually take off my bake because it sits on there pretty long, because eyebrows sometimes don't know how to come out correct or how I want it. Do you ever have those eyebrows that like one is better than the other? It's always this one's better. Okay. Now I'm going to go in. Actually, I think I have it in my purse. I probably have it in my purse. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. So I usually keep makeup in with me because this is basically what I do almost every day. So I just decided to come on here and talk to you guys about life. I don't do that. I put mascara on before eyeliner because it just doesn't mess up that way, and it's a good line to have. And I always get the bottom lashes. I have several mascaras, so this is just the base coat if you want to say that. Try not to make the face. It's not working. Okay, now that my mascara's sort of done because we have different processes. Okay, I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyeliner. This one was the Wet n Wild Max Fantastic Cat Eye mascara, and the eyebrow thing was e.l.f. I have a lot of different varieties of makeup, so yeah. Is it even? You can never get this all the way even. Okay. After that, I let that dry. So I take my e.l.f. contour kit and I contour a little So I take this brush because it picks up very well, and I take this and mix them together. And I don't go all the way down. I kind of just chisel out my jaw a little. And I probably know why I'm getting so many pimples here, because I started redoing this I am eating healthy though. Like, I'm changed my ways. I'm exercising more. If you guys want to know what I do for exercising, comment down below. I have a lot of video ideas. So I take that and then I go in with this one and blend it, because we don't want any harsh lines like that. So blending is key to this. Okay, now I go in with blush, and this is my favorite blush, compact. I also have this CoverGirl one, which is almost gone, so I have to invest in more blushes because I love playing with blushes. Yeah. So I am mixing all three of these together with this big brush right here. Actually, no, I lie. I'm taking my blush brush and mixing them and putting it on the apples of my cheeks, right above the contour. And then I go in and take more and then blend it. Take off the excess and just blend it in. I really like blush. It just makes me look cuter, right? Okay, now I'm gonna give my eyes some shimmer, so I'm taking this brush right here. It's like a angle, whatever you want to call it. And I put it in the corner of my eyes, just to highlight them and center focus. Then I take this. Actually, it's disgusting, like all my makeup. I need to clean it. But this one's actually from a makeup site. I'm ordering from them soon, so I'm gonna do a haul on that one. But I love this mascara. It's waterproof and it doesn't clump up. It separates your mascara very well. I use about 3 different mascaras. And then I take my ultimate favorite mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and just apply that on the lashes. It takes them longer and fuller, so if you're wondering what I'm listening to, I'm an avid K-pop person. So right now it's Monster X. Oh no. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, the next step that I do is I take a very natural highlight. So I use the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in Snow. It's a very natural highlight. Doesn't give a lot of shimmer, but that's kind of what I like. It's there. It's very natural, which I quite enjoy because I like dramatic makeup, but I don't like for work. If that makes sense. Then I go in and I'm gonna tint my lips. I have several different lip tints. So this one is actually from e.l.f. and it's a lip stain, which is kind of like a lip tint. But this rather stains your lips than gets a full like lip color. And it's pink, so I just and then before it dries. And then I take this. I actually got this from work. The same. The thing I'm sitting on just bent. Oh my god. It's still bent, but I almost fell off my chair. This one's a liquid lip gloss, and it's Bunny Essentials. I got it from work, don't ask. It's pink and sparkly. I love pink and sparkles, so. It smells like strawberries, too. So, yeah. Okay, and then the last step that I do is I go back in with my eyeliner, and you see, like, bits and pieces where the mascara didn't hit. I'm going back in and covering it. So, yeah. And to dye down some of the... because I just noticed it's really red on the side. I take the leftover powder I have sitting out and just put it on to dye it down and make me look sort of normal. Which I'm not really normal as it is. I mean, I kind of just fell off my chair. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. It's basically how I do my makeup almost every time, but I figured I haven't done a makeup video in probably a month, so why not do one today? And it's close to Easter, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all, and I have special videos coming up, such as maybe vlog in school, maybe a morning routine. You comment what you want because I want to make creative content for you guys. You comment what you want and what you want to see and everything. And also, a majority of you are on my Instagram, so I do polls there. So all of my social media links are down below. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time I upload.